Berkshire Hathaway Inc. is a multinational conglomerate holding company, widely recognized for its broad portfolio of investments and subsidiaries spanning various industries, including insurance, utilities, manufacturing, retail, and more. Led by the renowned investor Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway has become one of the most respected and valuable companies in the world, largely due to its consistent financial performance and long-term investment strategy. Berkshire Hathaway's success under Warren Buffett's leadership can be seen in its strategic acquisitions and investments, such as the purchase of Geico in the insurance sector, which has provided steady revenue through premium collections. Additionally, its ownership of BNSF Railway, a major freight railroad network, demonstrates the company's strong presence in critical infrastructure industries. Berkshire Hathaway's strengths include diversified portfolio. Berkshire Hathaway's broad and diverse portfolio of investments and subsidiaries reduces risk and enhances stability. For example, the company owns significant stakes in blue-chip companies like Apple Inc. and Coca-Cola, which provide consistent returns and buffer against volatility in any single industry. Additionally, its diverse holdings in insurance, energy, and manufacturing further diversify risk. Strong leadership. The company benefits from the leadership of Warren Buffett, whose investment acumen and management expertise have been pivotal to its success. For instance, Buffett's famous decision to invest in American Express during the 1960s salad oil scandal turned out to be a highly profitable long-term investment, showcasing his ability to recognize value during times of crisis. Financial strength. Berkshire Hathaway's strong financial performance and substantial cash reserves provide the company with flexibility and growth opportunities. The company's robust cash position allows it to make opportunistic acquisitions, such as the $11 billion acquisition of Precision Castparts in 2016, a leader in the aerospace industry. Reputation. Berkshire Hathaway is well regarded for its long-term investment strategy and consistent performance. The company's reputation for prudent management and its buy-and-hold approach have attracted like-minded investors, further solidifying its market position. Berkshire Hathaway. Weaknesses include complex structure. Managing a diverse range of businesses and investments can lead to complexity and operational challenges. For example, overseeing such a vast array of industries requires specialized knowledge and can complicate internal reporting and decision-making processes. Dependence on key personnel. The company heavily relies on Warren Buffett and other key executives for decision-making and leadership. Buffett's eventual departure poses a significant succession challenge, as his unique investment philosophy and influence have been integral to Berkshire's identity and success. Limited growth in some segments. Some of Berkshire Hathaway's traditional business segments, such as textile manufacturing and certain legacy retail operations, have experienced slower growth compared to emerging industries like technology and renewable energy. This could limit the company's overall growth potential in the long term. Berkshire Hathaway opportunities include investment opportunities. The company has the potential to invest in emerging industries and new market opportunities. For example, Berkshire Hathaway's recent investments in fintech companies, such as StoneCo in Brazil, reflect its willingness to explore and capitalize on new sectors. Strategic acquisitions. Berkshire Hathaway has opportunities to acquire businesses that align with its strategic goals and add value to the portfolio. The 2020 acquisition of Dominion Energy's natural gas assets is a prime example of how the company strategically expands its footprint in the energy sector. Global expansion. By expanding investments and operations into new geographic markets, Berkshire Hathaway can tap into high-growth regions. For instance, the company has been gradually increasing its exposure to Asian markets through investments in companies like BYD, a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer. Berkshire Hathaway threats include economic downturns. Economic fluctuations and market volatility can impact the performance of Berkshire Hathaway's investments and subsidiaries. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, Berkshire's insurance businesses faced significant pressure due to declining asset values and increased claims. Regulatory risks. Increasing regulatory scrutiny and compliance requirements across various industries could impact the company's operations and profitability. For example, heightened regulations in the energy sector could affect Berkshire Hathaway Energy's expansion plans and operational costs. Succession planning. Challenges related to succession planning and the potential impact of key personnel changes are significant risks. Warren Buffett's eventual retirement could lead to uncertainty among investors and stakeholders, potentially affecting the company's market valuation and strategic direction. In conclusion, Berkshire Hathaway's diversified portfolio and strong financial position provide a solid foundation for continued success. To sustain its competitive advantage, the company should focus on strategic investments in emerging industries, managing operational complexity, and addressing challenges related to key personnel and economic fluctuations. By doing so, Berkshire Hathaway can continue to thrive in a rapidly changing business environment.